6.ee.5 learning target. I can use substitution to decide if a number is a solution to an equation. All right, our vocabulary today. Substitution. It's like in a basketball game, a substitute is a player that goes in for another player. In math, it's replacing a variable with a number. So if you have something like 2x plus 3, if you replace the x with a 5, it would become 2 times 5 plus 3. That's substituting 5 for the x. So here's your notes. How to decide if a number is a solution. Well, first, replace the variable in the number sentence with the number you are checking. And we know that that's called substituting now. So you're going to substitute a number for the variable. Then you are going to simplify all parts of the number sentence. That means you're going to evaluate. You're going to multiply, add, subtract, do whatever you can. Get rid of the parentheses on both sides. Try to get down to just numbers, just a single number. If, when you're done, the result's a true statement, then the number is a solution. Okay, so basically, if it works. So, example, is 4 a solution to the inequality 4x minus 5 is greater than 2 times 2x minus 8? So, step number 1, substitute. Replace the variable with the number we're checking, with the 4. So, 4 times 4 minus 5 is greater than 2 times 4 minus 8. So we have to simplify both sides. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. On the other side, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So is 11 greater than 0? Yes. 4 is a solution. Is 4 the only solution? No. So when we're talking about inequalities, you can end up with lots of solutions. Let's look at some other examples that you don't have to put in your notes. Complete the equation in inequality so that x equals 4 is a solution. Okay, so we know that the x has to be a 4. So this x is going to get replaced by 4. So what times 4 equals some other number? What's a multiple of 4 in here? I think 12. So I think we can make 12. What number times 4 makes 12? 3. So if we build 3 times x equals 12, 4 is a solution. Okay? Now, 12 is less than something times x. So we've used the 12, we've used the 3. If 4 is going to be a solution to that, 4 times some number has to be greater than 12. It has to be, of the ones left, it has to be 10. No, could be 4 also. Either one of these, if you put it in there, you're going to get a true statement, because 4 times 4 is greater than 12, because it's 16, and 4 times 10 would be greater also. So either one of those would be fine. Okay. Next example, and last example. A florist makes bouquets of 2 sizes. A small bouquet will have 5 flowers each, and the medium-sized bouquet will have 10 flowers each. He makes 4 small bouquets. He has 80 flowers in all. Select the strategy that could be used to determine how many medium bouquets he can make. Okay, so I'm not going to look at the answers yet. I'm going to just jot some things down. So the small bouquet, or bouquet if you prefer saying bouquet, will have 5 flowers each. The medium size will have 10 flowers each. He makes 4 small bouquets. So that's 4 times 5. That's for the small ones. The mediums he's going to take the number of medium ones and he's going to multiply that times 10. Okay. And it's got to equal 80. Okay, so let's look at our different strategies. If we subtract 4 from 80, then divide by 10, that is not going to tell us what that is. No way. Subtract the number of flowers used for small bouquets, which is, I said bouquet this time, which is 20, from 80. That's not going to give you the number of medium-sized bouquets, because the number of medium-sized bouquets is m times 10. You still have to divide by 10. That's not going to work. Divide 80 by the number of flowers for a medium-sized bouquet. No. Okay. I don't think any of those three work. Let m equal the number of medium-sized bouquets. There it is. M. Write an equation that represents the total flowers that the florist has and solve the equation for him. That's what you would do. You'd now solve this. You don't have to here, but if you did, you would simplify 4 times 5 and you'd get 20. So 20 plus m times 10 is 10m equals 80. And you guys already know how to get the m by itself. You'd subtract 20 from each side, and 10m would equal 60. And now you divide by 10, and m would equal 6. There it is. So, mark the correct answer. Get to the quick check. Is 3 a solution to the equation 4x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 23? Work that out. Check with your teacher. Good luck.